So let us look at the terms containing x raised to 4. So it will be ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് 1 വരും, then here 2 and here 1. So that will be x raised to 4 by 2 factorial. Then ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് x square, ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് x square, then here 1, and that will be x raised to 4 by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Then you have this one, x cube and x. So x raised to 4 by 3 factorial into 1 factorial. Then you have x square from here and x from both of this. So that will be x square by 2 factorial. Okay, so x raised to 4 by 2 factorial and 1 factorial, 1 factorial. You will have x cube by 3 factorial into x by 1 factorial. That is 2 തവണ വരും. So 3 factorial into 1 factorial വരുന്ന term 2 തവണ വരും. These are the terms. Now we need the coefficient of x power 4 by 4 factorial. So this can be written as 4 factorial by 2 factorial into x power 4 by 4 factorial plus 4 factorial x power 4 by 4 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial plus ഈ ടേം തന്നെയാണ് ട്വൈസ് വരുന്നത്. So I'm writing it as 2 into, so again this term also will occur twice, so 2 into 4 factorial by 3 factorial into x power 4 by 4 factorial. So that will be equal to 4 factorial plus 4 factorial by 2 factorial. So 6 varum. Okay, I write the values here. So this is 24 plus 6 plus 4 factorial by 3 factorial is 4. So 8 varum into x power 4 by 4 factorial. So therefore A4 will be equal to 38. So the number of 4-letter arrangements will be equal to 38. Look at the exponential generating function for an infinite multi-set. So let AR denote the number of R permutations of the multi-set infinity dot b1, infinity dot b2, extra infinity dot bk, then the exponential generating function of AR will be equal to, now we have k objects and they can occur any number of times. So the terms in the generating function will be 1 plus x by 1 factorial, x square by 2 factorial. There is no restriction on the objects. So that will go up to infinity. And അതുപോലെ k objects restriction illa. So whole power k will come. Now we know that this is the series for e raised to x. So e raised to x power k varum. So that is e raised to kx. So that will be summation r equal to 0 to infinity k power r x power r by r factorial. So therefore the number of r permutations So the objects, all the objects can be chosen any number of times. So that will be given by AR, which is equal to K raised to R. So this നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ കണ്ടിട്ടുള്ള formula ആണ്. So this is number of permutations where any number of repetitions is allowed. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാ പ്ലേസിലും ഏത് ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് വേണമെങ്കിലും എനിക്ക് പ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യാം. Okay. So let us look at an example using this result. So for each R belongs to n star, denote the number of R digit quaternary sequences. So that is the sequences which are formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, and it is given that each of the digits 2 and 3 appears at least once. Then we need to find AR. Here we need to form sequences which are containing the numbers. Binary sequences form they contain the numbers 0 and 1 only. Similarly, quaternary sequences, they contain the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. So the condition given to us is നമ്മൾ ഏത് സീക്വൻസ് ഫോം ചെയ്താലും അതിനകത്ത് 2ഉം 3ഉം അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് വൺസ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. സോ 0 may or may not occur, 1 may or may not occur, but 2 and 3 must occur at least once. So the corresponding, let us write the corresponding exponential generating function. So exponential generating function of AR will be equal to, so let us write the terms corresponding to 0. From 0 it can occur any number of times. So 0 time, 1 time, or any number infinitely many times. Upon 1 plus x by 1 factorial, x square by 2 factorial, plus etc. അപ്പോൾ 1 corresponding ആയിട്ട് ഇതേ ടേം തന്നെയാണ് വരിക. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് സ്ക്വയർ എടുക്കാം. So this corresponds to 0 and 1. Now 2 and 3 must appear at least once. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് ഈ 1ൻ്റെ ടേം വരില്ല, കാരണം it has to occur at least once. So it will start with x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus etc. whole square. So this corresponds to 2 and 3. Now this is e raised to x whole square, and this is e raised to x minus 1 whole square. So the required generating function is e raised to 2x into this. When you expand this, you will get e raised to 2x minus 2e raised to x plus 1. Now we are asked to find the value of AR. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിന്ന് നമുക്ക് കോഎഫിഷ്യന്റ് ഓഫ് x bar r by r factorial കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. So AR will be equal to the coefficient of x bar r by r factorial in expansion of, so let us simplify this. So e raised to 4x minus 2 e raised to 3x varum plus e raised to 2x. So now e raised to 4x minus 2 e raised to 3x plus e raised to 2x will be summation r equal to 0 to infinity. So this is 4x whole power r by r factorial minus 2 3x whole power r by r factorial plus 2x whole power r by r factorial. So therefore AR is going to be equal to, നമുക്ക് coefficient of x power r by r factorial ആണ് വേണ്ടത്. So that will be 4 power r minus 2 into 3 power r plus 2 power r. So that's the required value. Now we know that e raised to x has the series expansion 1 plus x by 1 factorial, x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus etc. Similarly, e raised to minus x has the expansion 1 minus x by 1 factorial, x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus etc. So when we take e raised to x plus e raised to minus x by 2, that is going to give us the expansion 1 plus So only the even terms will be there. So 1 plus x square by 2 factorial, x raised to 4 by 4 factorial plus etc. അതുപോലെ e raised to x minus e raised to minus x by 2 എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ we are getting the odd terms. So x plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial plus etc. Now this expansion can be used when you have to involve the even powers and the odd powers. So let us look at an example where this functions are used. So for R belongs to n, AR denotes the number of R-digit ternary sequences that contain an odd number of zeros and an even number of ones. So we need to form sequences which are containing ternary sequences which are containing an odd number of zeros and an even number of ones. And we are not given how many times 2 can appear. So 2 can appear any number of times. So the ternary sequences they are formed using 0, 1 and 2. ഇനി നമുക്ക് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് 0 must occur only odd number of times, 1 must occur even number of times, so 2 can occur any number of times. Okay. So the exponential generating function corresponding to AR is, so that will be, so 0 has to occur odd number of times. So corresponding to that you will get x plus x by 1 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial plus etc. So this corresponds to 0. Now 1 can occur only even number of times. So that will be 1 plus x square by 2 factorial, x raised to 4 by 4 factorial plus etc. Now 2 can occur either even number or odd number of times. So that will be 1 plus x by 1 factorial, x square by 2 factorial plus etc. So this corresponds to 1 and this corresponds to 2. So now this will be e raised to x minus e raised to minus x by 2, and the second series will be e raised to x plus e raised to minus x by 2, and this will be e raised to x. Now we are asked to find AR, so let us again simplify this. This will be equal to 1 by 4 e raised to x by 4 into e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x varum. So that will be e raised to 3x minus e raised to minus x by 4. So that will be 1 by 4 summation r equal to 0 to infinity 3x whole power r by r factorial minus minus x whole power r by r factorial. So therefore AR will be the coefficient of x power r by r factorial. So that is going to be 1 by 4 3 raised to r minus minus 1 power r. So that is the required value of AR.